In this video, I'm gonna show you best free websites to watch anime 2026. So first, we're gonna start by opening a Google browser, and then you wanna type in pluto.tv. So this is the first website. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go to search and search for anime, and here, as you can see, you're gonna find plenty of animes, just like One Piece for example, and it's all free. You can watch it for free. Now the second website is tubetv.com. So if you go to this website, and here if you go to browse genes and here anime, you will be able to find plenty of animes like Pokemon for example, and Hunter x Hunter. So all of these you can watch for free. Now the third website is, if you go here, you can type in retrocrash.tv. Now this website also gives you a wide category of free animes. So the ones that don't have this star, this like crown on it, it's free. So for example, this one is free. This one you might have to subscribe for it. So this one is free. All of these are free. So you also could watch anime from YouTube. Like if you go to YouTube and just type in anime, search anime, you will find plenty of like anime channels. So if you're looking for anime channels, you'll find plenty from like YouTube in general. So if you're looking to watch anime from YouTube, that's one way to do it. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.